Good morning, students. Now we are going to study transformation of assertive sentence into indirect speech. We are going to study transformation of assertive sentence in reported speech or in indirect speech. Students, we have studied types of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. So when there is assertive sentence in direct speech, how to transform into indirect speech? Students, here easy method I am explaining. If you follow the steps and the rules properly, definitely you can transform assertive sentence into indirect speech easily. So pay attention. Assertive sentence. When there is assertive sentence in direct speech, how to transform it into indirect speech? First step. If no listener, then use reporting verb say. If no listener, then use reporting verb say. Second, if listener, then use reporting verb told. First step, that is regarding reporting verb. If no listener, then use reporting verb say. If listener, then use reporting verb told. Here we have to remember, when listener is given, we use reporting verb told in indirect speech. That time we are not using to with told. That is why here I have mentioned note. Do not use to with told. Third step, use conjunction that. Use conjunction that. And fourth step, follow the general rules. General rules means change of tenses, change of pronouns and possessive adjectives, and change of words showing time and place. So if we see that here it seems 4 steps, but there are 3 steps, because first and second, that is included only in one step. If no listener, use reporting verb say, and if listener, then use reporting verb told. Second step, use conjunction that, and third step, follow the general rules, means change of tenses, change of words showing time and place, and change of pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now see, I have written 3 sentences, and these 3 sentences are in direct speech and they are assertive sentences. They are assertive sentences. I like to dance in the rain. I am studying for my midterm examination. You must work hard. These are assertive sentences. Now let's transform them into indirect speech. See first sentence, and one more thing. These are the sentences from your course book exercise. These 3 sentences, they are from your course book exercise. See first sentence. She said, I like to dance in the rain. Now I like to dance in the rain, it is assertive sentence. So we have to follow these steps. First step, if no listener, then use reporting verb say. Now see, is there any listener? She said, I like to dance in the rain. Here no listener is given. So we have to use reporting verb say. So she said. So now there is no need of second step. If listener, then use reporting verb told. Here no listener, so we use reporting verb say. Then next step, use conjunction that. So we write here that. She said that. Okay, so we have followed 2 steps, reporting verb said and conjunction that. Now the last step, that is follow the general rules. General rules, change of tenses, change of pronouns and possessive adjectives, and change of words showing time and place. Now see, here she said that, now I, it turns into she. Light turns into light. Simple present tense turns into simple past tense, and then other as it is, to dance in the rain. And we remove we remove that comma and double inverted comma in indirect speech, that already I have informed you in introduction. So she said that she liked to dance in the rain. Now see the second sentence. Riddhi said, I am studying for my mid-term examination. Here also assertive sentence, I am studying for my mid-term examination. When we observe the sentence, Riddhi said, here also there is no listener, so we use reporting verb said. So Riddhi said. Then next step we use conjunction that. Now here I stands for this I pronoun, it stands for Riddhi, so it turns into she. Then am, it turns into here she, so was. She was studying for. Now my possessive adjective, it turns into her. For her mid-term examination. Riddhi said that she was studying for her mid-term examination. That is in indirect speech. Now see the third sentence. Anuj said to me, you must work hard. Now you must work hard, it is an assertive sentence, and here when we see Anuj said to me, it means here listener is given. Here listener is given. Anuj said whom to me, it means listener is given. So we have to use reporting verb told. So we will write here Anuj told me. Then next step we have to use conjunction that. Then here you turns into I. Then must turns into had to. You must turns into had to. And other words as it is. Work hard. So the sentence now it is in indirect speech. Anuj told me that I had to work hard. So students, in this way we can transform assertive sentence into indirect speech. When no listener, use reporting verb said. If listener, then use reporting verb told. With told, we are not using to. Second step, use conjunction that. Third, follow the general rules, means change of word showing time and place, change of pronouns and possessive adjectives, and change of tenses. Thank you, students.